Hello everybody, we will be studying about hypersensitivity today. Now, what is this hypersensitivity? It is defined as the immune response that leads to the deleterious host reactions. Now, what does that mean? That means that when you just break the word hyper and sensitivity, when any foreign particle enters into your body, your immune system reacts to it. Okay, so when this reaction happens by your immune system, it is sensitive and thus it protects your body. Hypersensitivity is it overreacts so that your body's tissues or cells gets damaged. So this is called as hypersensitivity. The reaction caused by your immune system to destroy the tissues, which leads to the destruction of your tissues, is called as hypersensitivity. Now it can be classified into type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4 hypersensitivity. Today let us study about type 1 hypersensitivity. It is also called as anaphylaxis or anaphylactic reaction. It is also called as allergic reaction. Now, what is the meaning of anaphylaxis? Anaphylaxis, let us break the word to understand. Anaphylaxis. Phylaxis meaning to stand guard, to protect. Prophylaxis meaning before. So, for example, you have vaccines. You take vaccines so that your body gets protected from any damage. Like for example, you are taking any vaccine, example you're taking a polio vaccine, so your body is protected against the polio virus. So that is the meaning of prophylaxis. Anaphylaxis is just the opposite of that. That is, your body, instead of getting protected, your body gets damaged through the substances that comes into your body. Okay, it's also called as allergic reaction because your body gets allergic, your body is prone to allergens here. Now every time your immune system gets activated when a foreign substance enter into your body. So what is that foreign substance called as? It is called as antigens, isn't it? But here, instead of antigens, we will use the term allergen. Now what is the difference between allergen and antigen here? Antigen is antigenic to all the individuals, all the species. I mean, to all the people. If I say staphylococcus, it is antigen. It is an antigen to everybody. Maybe me or you. It shows the same symptoms. But allergen is not the same. Allergen may be allergic to my body. That is, my body may react to it, may show certain symptoms, but whereas for you it may not show the same. So there is a concept of allergens here instead of antigens. So that foreign substance which causes reaction is called as allergens here, not antigens. Okay, now what are those allergens that react? Allergens, they are always environmental factors. That is, they are always external factors, nothing from inside your body. Like it could be your proteins, like your egg, peanuts, it could be some seafood, fish, it could be rye, pollens, dander, it could be dust. So these are all the allergens. So you know that some people are allergic, some people's body react to these allergens, not everybody's. So we cannot call them antigenic, we will call them, we will stress out on the point allergens here. Now how many of them are allergic? It is a genetic disorder. That is, if the parents have, the children also would have this disorder. That is, if both the parents have, there are 50% chance that the child will have. If one of the parent have, there are 20% chances that the child will have this disorder. I will tell you what is the genetic mutation done here or seen here when we see the pathway, when we study the pathway. Now The people, those who are actually suffering or those who show the allergic symptoms to these allergens, they are called as atopic. Please remember this term, atopic. Now what do you mean by atopic? Atopic are the people who show or who react to these allergens, they are called as atopic. Okay. So, and the important cell that is involved in this reaction is called as the mast cell. The mast cell is the one who is involved in the entire process. There are around 10,000 mast cells that is there underneath your skin. It is there in the mucosa, that is the mucous layer, gastrointestinal tract, your respiratory tract, your eyes. These are the places where you see the presence of the mast cells. What are the reactions that you can see? Rhinitis, conjunctivitis, hay fever. So these are some of the allergic reactions that your body shows. We will see the pathway, how the reaction happens.